everybody, welcome to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video we'll be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag original bag. And I do still have it in here because there is one item that is loose inside the packaging, so I figured I would pull it out with you. Before I do, if you were not aware, I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is nimities.com. The link is in the description bar down below if you're curious. If not, that's okay too. If you like this video while you're watching it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button down below. Hit that like button. If you dislike it, you can hit the dislike button as well. And hit that red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel if you are curious and interested and want to come back and see more. And the little bell if you would like. Subscriptions always help out tremendously, probably more than you know. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. I'd love to hear any thoughts or concerns or comments or anything you guys want to share with me. So let's go ahead and get into my Ipsy bag for April 2020. This is the item that was inside. I'm also going to pull out the bag itself because I can't find the card, and I'm assuming the card is going to be in the bag, but this is the bag this month. It is a beautiful purple color. It's got little flowers, posies, whatever you want to call it. When I first saw it, I thought it was actually like flies, like butterflies or something. If you were curious, this is the Ipsy original bag. I also have my plus and ultimate bag sitting here on the table. This is my plus. The little green one is the plus, so that's kind of cool. And then the ultimate bag is this one right here, which I really like the ultimate bag. So of the three, it is the cream for the original, the green for the plus, and I'm sorry, the cream for the ultimate, the green for the plus, and then the purple for the original. So that is the three Ipsy bags this month. We're going to go ahead and open the bag and look inside. I think there's a card. Yes, there is. Let's go ahead and pull the card out. And the inside just has like a nice yellow lining to it. So it is Ipsy Full Bloom is the theme for the month. It does have 5 items in the bag, so I'm going to go ahead and refer to the card as we go. And I'm going to talk about the item that was in the outside packaging first. This is from Murad. It is the nutrient charged water gel. I have used Murad products in the past, and I think they're nice. So one thing I'm not real happy about is how big the box is versus the product. I don't need a huge product. This is the Ipsy original box. It is what, $12 a month? I forget exactly. I pay annually, so I don't get charged this one monthly. I do get charged monthly for the other two, but the original I do pay annually. So I think it's $12 now a month. Anyway, I'm just concerned about the amount of waste. Like, this is not needed. A lot of times I will just get something like this in my, oh, that's cute, in my bags. I don't need the box to go with it. It has a slight scent, but it's almost like that unscented scent, if you know what I mean. Anyway, this is the Murad Hydration Nutrient Charged Water Gel. I'm glad it's a water hydration or water moisturizer because that's what I use on my skin. I don't typically use an oil-based moisturizer on my skin, just a water-based. So the card says this is the Murad Nutrient Charged Water Gel. Winter's behind us, but that doesn't mean you should skip out on hydration. Switch to this lightweight water gel moisturizer. The oil-free formula is made with a combo of 5 minerals, 5 vitamins, and 5 peptides that help strengthen your skin's barrier and retain moisture. Tip: in the AM and PM, massage a dime-sized amount over your face and neck after cleansing. So this is a deluxe sample. Actually, I have 3 full-size items in here. Wow. Okay, so this is a deluxe size sample. Let's go ahead into the bag. I'm going to pull out, what do I want to pull out? Let's pull this out. This is a brush. This is the Chiquita blending brush from Araceli. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. I don't know if you guys can see that on the brush, if it's going to focus enough for you to see the name, but it is a blending brush. I do love getting brushes in my beauty boxes, so this is always appreciated, and I'm always on the lookout for a nice blending brush as well. So this is the Araceli, I'm not sure, Beauty Chiquita blending brush. The only thing you need to pack on your eyeshadow like a pro, this flat oval shaped brush, and it is actually thin and then wide. It allows you to concentrate, build, and blend pigments onto your lids with ease. Not only are the bristles made of ultra-soft nanosynthetic fibers, they're cruelty-free and vegan too. Tip: use it to apply highlighter to small areas like your inner corners and Cupid's bow. I don't know that I would use this as a blending brush for my eye. You could do that, I guess. I usually use a smaller brush to do my inner corners. But all right, let's go ahead back in. This is from Oritza Beauty. Nude Shimmer and Contour Eyeshadow. Now this is saying it's a full size, but it is just a wee little thing. I'm not familiar with this brand, or at least familiar enough with this brand. I've definitely heard of it before, but I'm not familiar enough with this brand to know if this is the full size. I'm going to go ahead and open it and swatch it. So this is the Oritza Beauty Nude Shimmer and Contour Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, so there's 1 matte and then 3 shimmers in here. That is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you, but I'm going to read to you first from the card. It says, this travel-sized palette has 4 silky smooth shades that range from warm nude to metallic rose gold. Each is made from rice-based ingredients as well as oils, vitamins, and essential fatty acids that are healthy for your skin. Wear them alone or together. They last all day without creasing or fading. It says, tip, apply them with your finger or brush, wet or dry, depending on how bold you want to go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of these. Do they have shade names? They do not. That matte feels really nice. Oh, wow, that's pretty. Let's see. There they are. They're really pretty. That is really, really pretty. Like I could do a very simple eye look with that. Just do like one of the metallics on my lid and then the matte brown in the crease. That's very, very pretty. All right. That's cute. Next item in the bag is, let's pull this out right here. This is the Moisture Boost Gel to Water Morning Cleanser from Tony Moly. That is what it looks like. All right, so this is the Tony Moly Moisture Boost Gel to Water Morning Cleanser. Sensitive skin? No prob. This gel to water cleanser is made with natural fragrances and mild surfactants. I don't know what that means. That won't make your skin feel tight and dry. Even better, it uses 5 different types of Centella asiatica, a hydrating herb, to soothe inflammation and redness on contact. Tip, massage this gel cleanser onto damp skin until it becomes water-like, then rinse. All right, cool. There's one more item in here. Let's go ahead and pull it out. This is it right here. And just in case you didn't get to see the inside of the bag, that is what it looks like. So that's cute. I do like the almost like a bamboo piece of wood around the zipper as well. So I like my bags this month. I liked my bags last month too. I've been enjoying the Ipsy bags. Not all of them, but these last couple of months I have. So this is from Seraphine Botanicals. This is a vegan lip gel. Oh, I thought it was a lip product, like a lip tinted lip product, which is why I have like no lip product on. I had lipstick on earlier, but it wore off and I didn't bother to put any back on because I knew that there was a lip product in here. So it is the 100% vegan lip gel from Seraphine Botanicals. Maybe it will show up as a color. It does look like it has tint to it and does definitely have looks like shimmer in it as well. I don't know if it's gonna focus in there enough for you guys to see that, but this is in the shade Rose Current. I'm gonna read it to you and then I'm gonna put it on my lips. This is the Seraphine Botanicals Berry and Juice 100% vegan lip gel in Rose Current. Just because it's getting warmer out doesn't mean your lips need less TLC. If they're feeling dry, reach for this healthy and hydrating lip gel. It's packed with shea butter and vitamins A and E to prevent them from drying, cracking, and flaking. Tip, swipe directly onto lips for a quick hint of color or dab it on using your finger for a stain-like effect. So I do have a mirror down here. I'm going to go ahead and put this on. It definitely smells like berries. It definitely has a tint to it. I think so. It's not super tinted, but it definitely has a tint to it. I don't know. I think it's pretty. I mean, it definitely has a shimmer to it too. All right. So let's recap what I got in my bag. I got the Seraphine Botanicals Vegan Lip Gel. I got the little moisturizer from Murad, the brush from Aracelli. Araceli, the 4 eyeshadows from Oritza Beauty, and then the Tony Moly Moisture Boost. So overall, I think these items are worth it. I really do enjoy the original Ipsy bag normally. I can't say always because I've been disappointed with some of my boxes that I've like always loved. But anyway, this one I think is pretty good. I think for the 5 items that I got in here for the $10 or $12, I think it might be $12, that I paid for it, I think it is definitely worth it. I mean, they're saying that this is a full size, the eyeshadow is a full size, and then the brush is a full size. So technically I got 3 full size products and then 2 samples. So overall, I'm not disappointed. I do enjoy getting brushes, and I also like to get a mix of makeup and skincare. I do prefer to have more makeup than skincare, but just been seeming to get a lot of skincare here recently. So anyway, that is it for my Ipsy Glam Bag Original for April 2020. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, again, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, I would appreciate you hitting subscribe. Of course, you don't have to if you don't want to, but I do appreciate it. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. I love to hear from you all. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!